Hi, welcome all, and here we are going to see how to protect the grub using a password. Okay, today we are going to set a password to the grub so the grub will be protected. So we can see step by step how to protect a grub using a password. If we are going to test to just set a password using a plain text, here I am going to use the password red hat. Okay, and if I am going to use the password as plain text as a red hat, everyone can see that one, and everyone if someone has seen the password, they can use the password. So I am going to encrypt the password. I'm going to use it in grub. So how I'm going to encrypt the password using MD5 format. Okay, after encryption I'm going to use in the grub file. So for editing the grub file, we want to navigate to the file located under etc. The file we want to edit is grub.conf. Okay, let me edit the file. Open a terminal and edit using vim editor. Under etc there is grub.conf. Edit the file. Here you can see the default and how much time out, the countdown time while we are booting. That is one of the countdown time. It will, while it's coming to 0, it will automatically boot. We can increase this count time also. Let me check. Okay, already there was 5 seconds countdown, and if you want to use 2 seconds, we can use 2 seconds. Okay, the splash image, there is a splash image as red hat something, it will show now. We can change that too. We need to set the image format in this format .xpm.gz. if you are using this format, the image will be displayed there. And if you want to change the name Red Hat Enterprise Linux while the grub was loading, we can change this. Okay, so I am going to change that one. It's now Red Hat. So I am going to add demo Red Hat. Okay, just I have added the VAT demo that we see. And if you are using multiple bootloader, you can, here we want to edit it. Okay, if you having any models, if you want to enable any models, we can add here. We want to move the mouse cursor towards here. These are the models. While it's loading, it will get load. Here we can add the models. Okay, for example, I am going to add one of the model here. The model is each and every time I used to mount the ISO file, am I right? It's not getting mount permanently. So each and every time I want to mount it, so I am going to add the mounting. The ISO want to be mounted up to 32 times. The maximum loop time of the mounting images ISO file is only 32. So I am going to mount it. Okay, using the command maximum loop is equal to 32. Okay, the automatically it will be after reboot, the ISO file will be used for 32 mounts. Okay, each and every reboot will be decreased from this count. Okay, and we are going to add a password. It's the main reason we have chosen this tutorial. So here I am going to add the password. How I am going to add the password, you have to see that. Okay, just press enter and add a name, add the VAT password, PSSWORD password, and I am going to use the encryption method is MD5. Okay, here I want to paste the encryption format. So just save and exit and use the command we need to create the grub password with encryption. For the encryption, I am going to use the command grub minus md5 hyphen crypt. Just press enter, and I am going to use the password red hat. Okay, red hat. It will give us a encrypted password. So copy that md5 format encrypted password and come back to the file etcgrub.conf. After this md5, I am going to leave a space and paste the password, encrypted password. Okay, this is the encrypted format. So save the file and exit. Just once reboot the machine. Okay, and check. It will ask the password, and I have changed the name as added a name as demo Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and the splash screen will be just two counts. Okay, see, that is, it's booted. Okay, let me restart. It's only wait for 2 seconds. Okay, you have here, you see demo Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, we can change the name also. Totally we can change, but for tutorial purpose I have shown how to change that one. For editing the grub, I need to ask for a password. Here you can see press enter to boot the selected OS, or P2 enter a password to unlock the next set of features. So I am going to press P and give the Red Hat password. Okay, it has been unlocked. Thus we can, now I am booting into the desktop. Thus we can unlock the protect the grub using a encrypted password. Okay, in next tutorial we can see how to yeah, we can decide later. We can meet in next tutorial. Bye.